Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Kitchen. Today we're making banana pancakes. You'll need eggs, flour, and bananas. I'm using 5 bananas because my bananas are small, but usually you use 4 bananas. Now mash them. You're going to grab your eggs and you're going to put them in. Again, I'm using eggs from my carton today. And then you're going to grab a whisk and you're going to mix everything up nicely. After it's mixed up like this, you're going to grab your flour and you're going to add a little bit by bit, to make sure you don't overmix, and mix everything in. Fry on medium-low heat for a couple minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, make sure to flip and let's see the final result.